If you are navigating dense city traffic, you know that 125cc scooters are the ultimate life hack. For years, models like the Yamaha NMAX 125 have dominated this space. But what if there's a new challenger that offers maxi scooter comfort, premium technology, and aggressive pricing? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we are looking at the brand new 2026 Voge SR 125 GTS. Vogue already has a rich lineup of 125cc scooters, but they were missing a true urban GT model. Well, not anymore. The SR 125 GTS is here to fill that gap, and it is bringing some seriously clever features that both daily commuters and delivery riders are going to absolutely love. Let's dive in. Visually, the new Voge follows classic GT scooter lines. It features a sleek boomerang-shaped body, a raised tail for a sporty look, and a discreet windshield. But it's the ergonomics that really shine. It offers plenty of legroom to stretch out on longer commutes. Just like the class-leading NMAX, the Voge is designed to be incredibly accessible. It has a low seat height of just 775 millimeters, meaning riders of all sizes can easily plant their feet on the ground. Plus, with a compact wheelbase of 1320 millimeters and a width of only 750 millimeters, lane filtering through gridlock traffic will be an absolute breeze. The heart of the SR 125 GTS is a very capable, liquid-cooled, 4-valve, 124.8cc single-cylinder engine. It delivers a respectable 12.3 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 12 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. Mated to a smooth automatic CVT transmission, this powertrain provides punchy off-the-line acceleration. And despite being a smaller displacement scooter, Voge didn't skimp on safety. They have actually equipped this engine with standard traction control to keep you safe on slippery or wet city streets. Handling the bumps and potholes is a standard telescopic fork up front and double shock absorbers in the rear. It rolls on a 14-inch front wheel and a 13-inch rear wheel, wrapped in 110/70ths and 130/70ths tires, providing a great balance between agility and high-speed stability. For stopping power, you get disc brakes on both the front and the rear. And yes, a true anti-lock braking system, ABS, is included to ensure your wheels won't lock up during sudden panic braking. Now, let's talk about the equipment, because this is where the Voge SR 125 GTS destroys the competition. In the cockpit, you get a large, full-color LCD screen and full LED lighting all around. It comes standard with an aluminum rear rack, with integrated passenger grab handles, and a large underseat storage compartment that easily holds a helmet. But here are two features you rarely see in this class. First, it comes with a factory-integrated dashcam. Second, the front glove compartment has a built-in USB port with a brilliantly designed cable pass-through hole. This means you can keep the glove box securely closed while running a charging cable up to your phone mounted on the handlebars. Delivery riders and GPS users, Vogue was definitely thinking of you. To top it all off, the weight is kept very low at just 138 kilograms with its 9-liter fuel tank empty. Currently, we don't have the exact release date or the official price for the European or Greek markets just yet. However, judging by Vogue's aggressive history, we expect the 2026 SR 125 GTS to be positioned extremely competitively, especially considering the massive list of standard equipment it offers. What do you think? Would you choose this over a Yamaha NMAX or Honda PCX? Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.